For anyone who feels trapped by their paycheck, lacks freedom, and wants to build a legacy, Superfiliate teaches copy-paste FIR formula for using AI to write post and monetize faceless content in 7 minutes with high-converting affiliate offers. Even if you're starting from scratch, without using your own face, selling friends or family, or being glued to a computer. Get the link to the video in the description, and don't forget to subscribe for the newest senior income opportunities. What is the AI Marketers Club? The AI Marketers Club is a step-by-step system designed for anyone looking to learn how to use AI for marketing products online. Our 3-hour video training will help you go from inconsistent and ineffective marketing to becoming a highly confident marketer who's able to consistently generate content without using your own face.